Alright, so here's our complete master bedroom, even with the bed made. Oh, Judah wants to show you the drawers open and close. How do you close them? So smooth. So smooth. And the kitchen! Look how different it looks with not tons of stuff everywhere. And then, of course, you've already seen the entertainment section. All done. All painted up. Very rough draft for our couch bed and dining area. We'll have to actually sew those together later, but how do you like this here? Special touch of gold bling on the drawers. And the kids' room all dressed up. We'll have to make curtains eventually someday, but for now, it works. And me and the daughter's accomplishment of the day with this lovely floor tile. Look at that. And of course, more bling for the wifey. Alright, so we're gonna be done for a while because now we're just waiting for the subway tile to come in so we can do the backsplash in the kitchen and in the bathroom, but we're done.
We're moving in.
We're moving in.
Now.
Mm-hmm.